Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Xioff. In today's video, we are reviewing this beautiful wig from ISEE Hair. This is a 13 by 4 frontal lace front wig. It is 26 inches and it is 180 density. So this is by far one of the best straight hairs I have come across. Um, so I didn't bleach the knots. I just added foundation powder towards the lace, and this was sculpt. Like I can't wait to show y'all. So right here, I'm just using my Ghost Bond, and I'm just putting that all over my edges. Once that turns clear, we're gonna go ahead and lay our lace. So guys, I know how much all of us girls love long black hair and middle part. This is your go-to company. It's affordable and the hair is good. So I'm just going ahead and laying my lace so that I can start laying my baby hair. Also guys, I only plucked just a little bit because it was very thick at the top. Very hard to pluck, but still nice. So I'm just getting my Got to Be spray and I'm just going right over the Ghost Bond because I wanted this unit to be secured. I wanted my sideburns to be secured. This is my first unit. I'm actually leaving some sideburns. Not really my first unit, but it's visible. So I just got my elastic band and I'm just tying down the lace. I just wanted to make sure that it was very like glued because sometimes it don't really be that glued down and I just be like, it's okay because I'm about to come back home. But I really wanted this unit to be slayed. So I'm just putting foundation powder on the lace so that it could be my shade. So guys, now I'm just separating my baby hairs and I'm getting my wax stick and pushing all the hair to the back just so that the baby hairs could be already flat once I tie it down. So guys, I'm just temporarily tying down the baby hairs so I could form my part and then go back in for the baby hairs. So guys, I went ahead and put concealer on my part, and as soon as I put the concealer on my part, I just fell in love with the unit. I was like, oh yeah, most definitely this about to be a body bag. So now I'm just untying my baby hairs, Scaviana. And then we're gonna go ahead and get our razor and just cut the hair down. I used to use scissors and now I use razors. Feel me? Y'all watching me learn day by day. So after I cut it with the razor, I'm just gonna go ahead and get my mousse and apply that mousse all over the baby hairs so that we can lay our baby hair. Guys, this unit made me love doing baby hairs, especially because I used an actual toothbrush instead of the edges brush. Just because it's an edges brush does not mean you have to use it. Like, this toothbrush helped me a lot. If it wasn't for this toothbrush, my edges would not be looking like this. Feel me? So guys, this is how the baby hairs ended up looking. Big shout out to my toothbrush. I am not using that edge brush no more. I feel like the toothbrush is easier to get a swoop in your baby hairs. Also, guys, this hair came straight, and when I flat ironed it, I just did like, I didn't even flat iron it. Like, I just did two of these. This right here, what I'm doing, I did two of those. And the hair was already straight, and it was flowing all day. Like, big shout out to ISEE Hair. Like, this is a really good unit. So, to all my girls that love that black middle part, long hair, go shop with ISEE. So guys, this is the final look. I did not do my makeup for this unit because you got to be natural for stuff like this. The hair is already natural, so you might as well look natural. So big shout out to ISEE Hair for sending me this beautiful unit. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the hair and everything else. So bye guys. Thank you so much for watching.